Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to have two accounts in Monopoly Go. If you want to have two accounts in Monopoly Go, you will need two unique Facebook accounts. Unfortunately, you can't have two Monopoly Go accounts connected to a single Facebook account. So if you only have one, you will need to create another Facebook. First, if you only have one Facebook account, let's start with creating a new one. We can do this by going to the Facebook website and signing up with a different email address or phone number. Once you have your second Facebook account, you can now connect to Monopoly Go. Open the Monopoly Go app on your device. Open the Monopoly Go app. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen to open the side menu. In the side menu, select the Settings button. A small window will appear where you should click on the green Manage Account button. You will see a Disconnect button. Click on it to disconnect from your current account. Before connecting your second Facebook account, you need to clear some data from the app settings. If you are using an Android device, long press on the Monopoly Go app icon and select App Info. In the App Info menu, find and open the Storage section. Tap on the option to clear storage. This action will not delete your Monopoly Go account. It only clears the local data on your device. After clearing the storage, open Monopoly Go again. This time, connect the app to your secondary Facebook account. By following these steps, you will have two separate Monopoly Go accounts, each connected to a different Facebook account. Whenever you want to switch between your two accounts, simply repeat the process of disconnecting and reconnecting the desired Facebook account. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.